play.
Nice, yeah.
I think it's nice.
The string spacing's pretty interesting. It's much wider than what I'm used to.
Okay.
So it's which is cool. It's just, you know, I was just picking on that thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, it's 1 3/4 inches, and then one of the biggest issues that I had with it was the neck angle was a little bit off. Before I glued it, I checked it and everything looked really good. Then of course after I glued it, it was like it's about 5/100 low.
Oh, great. Well, you know.
Oh, the pick fall in.
Yeah. Alright, see if we can take some of the randomness out of there. I'm just getting the inside nice and dinged up for you.
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
There he goes.
All right. Yeah, man, it's cool.
So when I first got it together, though, the action was really high, and so I've got the saddle down about as low as it can go.
Yeah.
But it seems to play okay now. You know.
Yeah, man.
From what they say, you know, it should be a comfortable medium action. I think what they said, but yeah, it's different than my Strat for sure.
Yeah.
It was quite a learning experience.
I'm sure, man.
Sure.
Yeah, I think about that kind of stuff, and it's like, oh man, I'm still learning how to, just trying to figure out how to play. It's like I don't need another thing to not be awesome at,
Oh, you played great, I think.
Thanks, man.
Sounds fantastic.